Hey, it's Sarah from Lion Brand, and I'm here with Comfy Cotton Blend. If you are looking for a yarn for transitional garments or summertime projects, you have to check out Comfy Cotton Blend. There's so much to love about this yarn. I can't wait to tell you all about it. Comfy Cotton Blend is 50% cotton and 50% polyester. Of course, because it's cotton, it's great for spring and summer. I think this is one of the softest cotton yarns that I've ever felt. Cotton can be like a little less bouncy. It's not very stretchy, but this is not only soft, it feels like an old comfortable t-shirt, like your favorite worn-in t-shirt. It comes in cakes, which I know everybody loves a cake these days. They're just so easy to work with. Each cake is 392 yards or 358 meters, so you're getting a lot of yarn in one cake. You can actually make a little scarf with just one cake of Comfy Cotton Blend. And I really like this yarn for lacy projects like shawls, but I've also seen crocheted bags and knit tank tops made with Comfy Cotton Blend. You can make summer baby projects. It's really versatile. Comfy Cotton Blend is a number 3 lightweight yarn, also known as DK weight. And of course, because it's cotton and polyester, you can machine wash it. We have to talk about these colors. You can see that there are 2 colors plied together, which creates a really cool marled effect when you work it up. And it's also got a variegated effect because one of the colors is a variegated yarn and the other one is a solid. Comfy Cotton Blend also comes in solids like this one. So if you want to make a project that's just one color, you can do that. But it's also cool because the solid colors correspond with the multicolors. So you can do like a border or you can do stripes and they'll match. There's this really subtle marled effect in the solids. Maybe you can see it here. But I think it adds another dimension to your project that's really neat. Now I'm gonna make some swatches so you can see how this works out, but before I do, make sure that you are subscribed to our channel. So here is the knitted swatch that I made. This is a stockinette stitch swatch and I worked it up on size 7 needles. That's the recommended needle size for this yarn. This feels incredible. It's smooth. I love the way it feels against my skin. It's very soft. You can see with this color, the very slight differences in color, which I think is so beautiful. And how gorgeous is this gray color? It's just like the perfect shade of gray. This has incredible drape, so it's a good choice for garments for sure, not to mention shawls and lightweight blankets even. Now let's check out the crochet swatch. This is the crochet swatch that I made. I worked it up on a J10 hook, which is the recommended hook size for this yarn. I did mainly single crochet and then I threw in a few rows of double crochet at the top. I think it's cool to see how the color pooling kind of changes depending on what stitch you're using. And because this is a lightweight yarn, I could see you doing some nice lace work, really playing around with your stitches. And you can see there's a lot of color changing going on. It's not really long intervals in between the colors. And I think that's really cool because when you're further away, it gives you a really nice effect. Because it's 50% polyester, this is really stretchy, but it's got that cotton in there, so it's great for the summertime. This would be good for a garment, you know, a tank top. You've got the light cotton, but it's still stretchy. It has a really beautiful drape. So it's gonna lay really nice and it's really soft against your skin. If you like cotton yarns, I would definitely recommend you check out Comfy Cotton Blend. It's stretchy, it's smooth and soft, and it's really easy to take care of. It's perfect for garments for you, for babies, for blankets, and I think you are going to love working with this in the spring and summer. If you want to learn more about Comfy Cotton Blend, check it out at lionbrand.com. Happy stitching!